In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make images smaller on Weebly within just 5 minutes. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process so you can resize images quickly and easily, perfecting the look of your website. First, you want to start by heading over to the Square's free appointment scheduling software and booking app website. Once you're there, make sure to sign in. You do this by clicking on the sign in button, which will prompt you to enter your credentials. If you're already logged in, the process will be even quicker for you. After signing in, navigate to the Square dashboard. You'll find this on the top right menu of your screen. The Square dashboard serves as the main hub for managing your account, including any web building tools you use through Weebly. Now that you're on the dashboard, take a look at the upper menu and access the Weebly overview. Click on Overview. This section displays all your active websites, and from here you can manage your blog, store, or for today's purpose, adjust your images. It might seem like a lot to take in at first, but don't worry, once you're familiar it becomes intuitive. Next, click on the Website tab on the left side panel, then select Edit Site. This will open the Weebly website editor where all the magic happens. Working with the editor is a straightforward experience, and it's designed to make everything from adding new content to modifying existing elements seamless. Once in the editor, click on the image you want to resize. This will highlight the image and prompt a new set of customization options. After the image is selected, you should see a button that says Customize. Click on that to open a variety of modification tools. You now have access to several customization options. Look specifically for layout and color in the customization options, and then click on Layout. This is where you'll find tools to adjust dimensions, ensuring the image fits perfectly into your page's design. Adjust the slider or input specific dimensions to make your image smaller. As you do so, pay close attention to how the image looks within your site layout, as maintaining the aspect ratio is important to avoid distortion. Once satisfied with the size adjustment, make sure to save your changes. You can then preview how the image looks on the live site. This step is crucial because it allows you to see exactly how your audience will experience your page. And there you have it, a smaller image, perfectly resized for your Weebly site. Simple, right? Mastering these tools will help enhance your site's professionalism and user experience, allowing your content to shine just the way you want. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.